What's up guys, welcome back to another part of the Power Wheels build. Now this is going to be part 3. To start off, we pulled off this flywheel cover because we broke this last time. This is what happened to it, we accidentally sat on it, so we just got a new one. So we needed to take that off, but we also need to adjust it so that we can pull it from down here. Okay, so we're going to be cutting this spark plug. Why are we doing this? It's because our seat is going to go right over it, and this is going to make our seat sit higher, so we're going to cut it off. I tested it with the other one, it's just plastic there, and we could basically just mount our seat lower. This is where our seat is going to go. We're going to be putting it in a little more. So we just cut up the rear and then made a little circle so it could sit in it a little better. And then I did cut these out. Now these are going to go underneath and they're going to attach to the bottom of the frame just like that. Alright, so we tacked in the seat mounts and welded them up. Obviously they're not going to be strong enough, so at least the front ones won't be. The back ones, they probably will be strong enough because of how short these arms are. Man, this is very thick metal. I'm pretty sure this is like 1/4 inch, so very thick pipe. But here, I'm going to put supports running from down there to right there, just to make a triangle. Okay, so this looks pretty beast. Next up, we're going to be mounting up our temporary gas tank. So we have this chopper bike gas tank that we're going to be drilling holes in the frame. It's going to sit like that, and that goes out there so it won't hit anything. Now, when my brother teaches me how to TIG weld, I'm going to be making a custom gas tank that's going to fit in this area. But for now, we're just going to be doing this type of gas tank. Okay, so we got our temporary gas tank mocked up, and we tried starting this engine last night, and this is how it went. Oh my,
no, it is not enough fuel.
Maybe that was.
Hey, make sure it's on.
It's on. Okay. What if you switched it so it's actually?
Ooh. Okay, now for the throttle assembly, what you'll need is a bolt like this. The thicker it is, the easier it is, but I don't know if thicker is always better. And you need 2 bolts to tighten down the cable. Now we're going to come up to the grinder, and we're going to grind one surface flat so that we could drill a hole in. So we're going to be drilling the hole through this bolt now. So we're going to be just putting a hole right through there. So another quick example of how this works. The hole is right there. And basically, all you do is feed your cable through. And then your bolts screw on just like that. I'm going to lightly tighten it, not too hard. Basically like that. And now the wire can't come out, so you're not damaging the wire, but it's also very tightly held on. drove this thing and it was super loud, so we decided to work on the exhaust next. We cut that so it'd be straight, and then our muffler will just approach from the back and go out something like that. Okay, so we got the new exhaust mocked on there, and so we're gonna start it up, and you guys will hear the beginning result and the end result. And no muffler. Here it goes. Now with the muffler on. It's so quiet. Yeah, but it's so much more quiet. I don't know if you guys remember, but our steering still does move around a little bit. So the mount we did for the steering here, all we're gonna do is we're gonna slide it down all the way, line up the steering wheel straight, and then weld that on. So what we're trying to do right now is take out these rods. So I'm tightening a bolt down onto there, and then basically we're gonna clamp this onto the rod, loosen a little bit and loosen this, and then we'll put on our carburetor. Carburetor all in there. We just got to put this air filter on, and then we're going to start it. So the choke is on, and we're going. Oh, it runs. We heard a little bit of clicking, and so we instantly stopped the engine, and then we saw the governor arm moved up and down. And so then we experimented a little bit, and we found that when it got down, it was hitting a gear inside the engine. So basically what we're supposed to do now, as a temporary thing, we're gonna put this on back on him, screw it on, and then bend it in the correct place so it'll be up like that always. Alright, so here's our temporary fix. So we just screwed the governor arm right back on, and then because we're not using the seat mount, we just put this on top here, and I'm planning to either zip tie it or drill a hole through here and put a small bolt there. This is just temporary when we get a new cam for this, because it will be revving up to higher RPMs. We're gonna have to open the side cover, and we will take out the governor while we're at it. Alright, so here's our throttle setup, and all we do is tighten this bolt right here to the throttle cable, and then we're gonna get okay, now that's so it's all the way tight, so this belly has any wiggle room. We kind of want to have wiggle room because we don't want it to already engage the throttle while it's idling. So now we have throttle. On. This thing looks sweet, and it's super quiet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This Power Wheels was absolutely awesome to build. We're still not 100% done like this gas tank. This is just a temporary spot for where we are going to hide it. This is a whole bunch of safety features, some panels on the sides to finish off the build. But we have all the things done so that we can go drive it at Edward's place. That'll be next video. But make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like. And stay real, stay extreme, and God bless.